In this video, I will be explaining how to save the model in the different formats so that the same files can be opened in other softwares. The current format of the part is .prt. Pick on File, Save a Copy and select the format from the Type option. Pick on IGES. Pick on OK. Currently I am exporting this file to the IGES format. Now the question is, what are the things I have to export? Whether as a surface I have to export or whether a solid I have to export. Since this model is a solid model, I'll pick on the solids and say OK. Read the command line IGES file, that is a.iges has been created. Pick on File, Save a Copy, select the desired format, take Step, pick on OK. I want to export solids and shells, pick on OK. Read the command line, the step file, that is a.stp has been created. A.prt is been exported now in two different formats, that is a.iges and a.stp. Close the current file. Open the file which is in other formats. To open the files which are in the IGES format or a step format, select the particular format. Currently I want to open the IGES format file. So in this folder, the IGES format file is a.iges. Pick on the file and pick Open. Now it is asking whether to open the model as a part file or an assembly file. As we know that a part is a part file, hence ensure that part is selected and give the name of the file as Z so that the part A will be imported as a part file by taking the name Z. Pick on OK. Note here that the IGES file has been imported as Z and there is no feature in the model tree. Means when the file was been exported, all the features were merged into a single feature called as import feature. So we cannot redefine the features. Similarly, if at all you want to open the file which was saved in the neutral format like step, pick on File, Open, select the desired format, that is step. In this folder there is one file existing with the format .stp. Pick on that file, pick on Open. Again it is asking whether the model to be imported in the part format or an assembly format. As we know, the A part is a part file, hence import as a part by the name X. Pick on OK. Now X.prt has been imported. Just like in IGES format, in step format also you cannot find any features. All the features are combined to form one single feature.